I should go eat. I hear Stripe and I see Morris. I'm coming. Good morning. Oh, you rolled your head into the log and did a somersault again. Hi, sweet boy. Hello. Woohoo! It's 40-something this morning.
It's a little pretty day. Carolina blue sky, and the wind's not blowing, so it's good. It's not blowing hard.
It's blowing a little bit. Hi, Tux. Hey, buddy boo. How are you? Good morning. Your water is not frozen over today, so that was a good thing. Well, I did order some Lego stuff so we could start hoping for packages to start arriving.
Oh, I was just getting used to no packages.
Nope. Hey, Donnie.
Pretty girl.
I get to go shopping 2 days in a row. I'm actually in a pretty darn good mood about that.
That's the right answer.
Yep, I won't be gone too long.
Yeah.
You know, the usual 3-hour tour over at Guardian Angel Fuquay.
Right. Yeah.
A little pogo and then back home, something like that.
Yeah, well, the wind's picked up.
Yeah, it's windy, but I've got a jacket just in case. I don't anticipate putting the jacket on, but I'm carrying one. Good morning, Ruby. This Tesla owner waves at all other Teslas. S's, Y's, 3's, Roadsters, the Cybertruck when it comes out, I'll be waving at them too. If the other people don't see me or they aren't inclined to wave, that's okay. I won't let my little feelings be hurt too bad. Oh, it is a little breezy. It is. Michelle says she's on her way, so we're headed to Fuquay Guardian Angel today. This is more of our normal weekly meetup downtown. Yesterday was sort of an add-on day for us, so Don swears he's not going to be on the phone for 7 hours today. He says maybe tomorrow, but there's no conference call scheduled for today, so we'll see how that goes for him. He said he's got a little bit something to do. Maybe after he has his coffee, he'll knock that out while I'm out shopping. Doesn't matter, whatever works out best for him. I know he's determined that he wants to go run today. Yeah, I almost pulled out in front of this truck and coming out off the side street onto Main Street, and he was flying. He was flying. I actually stopped pulling out, and then he's honking at that person there that was in his way on Main Street. So wherever he's going, he's in a big rush. I'm not super happy with that driver because he's a little impatient. It's not a good thing to be impatient behind the wheel. All right, somebody's in my spot. I'm gonna be a big girl and figure out an alternate parking space. I'll just park on the other side. I don't normally park on this side because of the ice, but it's not super busy in the summer. But there are a lot of people that park at the ice thing, and then, you know, they just don't really pull into a space. And I just like to give them a wide berth. Let's just leave it at that. Anyway, this truck has caused me to have to do alternate parking, and I got to pay attention here and not hit the poles. You know, I'm really getting tired of my look having these masks and stuff on, but it is what it is, right? After a couple of minutes, things stop fogging up with the shield versus the safety glasses, so I'll let them get equalized and then maybe I can see. My hair's up today because there was so much static cling, static electricity. My hair was basically out to the side. I mean, it was crazy, the static in the wintertime. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
The first two Pokemon I caught today were shinies, bronzers.
What did you catch?
Shiny bronzers.
Wow. Lucky you. Green, right?
Yep.
What, 2?
Yeah.
2?
First 2 of the day, too.
Wow. Well, congratulations.
Lady Luck is smiling on me.
Maybe Miss Laura put out some new jewelry.
Oh, God, I hope so. talk about
That's the
wanting
kind of lucky.
shiny.
That's the kind of shiny and lucky that Michelle and I really enjoy.
Yes.
First find of the day: Harry Potter playing cards. I assume it's just a regular card deck, but it's Harry Potter themed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
There really aren't too many books to buy for the kids anymore. But when they were little, and I mean my guys and Michelle's guys, I used to leave out of here with not less than like 10 books every time we would come. Still a great selection. We're not seeing quite as many new things today, but we're enjoying looking. Very cute, Michelle, very cute. They were there.
Comfy cat.
All right, here's another great school from home option. $35, but it's the real McCoy. Relax. Says it's tested. Now what are you going to pair it with?
Reagan animatronic, you know, the girl from Exorcist.
Ah, okay.
She's as tall as me.
Foiled again. It's all Mega Blocks. If we didn't already have 2 of these, I'd take this one home. These are fun, especially if you're not wearing a mask and you can do your face. I am going to get the comfy sweatshirt with the owl on it, but I am not going to get this warm looking shirt from Cato, no less. That would make me look like a peacock.
But you like birds. Especially pretty ones.
I like them, but I don't want to look like them. Contrary to popular belief, we don't always buy everything we see in here. The cart is not overflowing today. We've had a good day, a fun day, but not a voluminous day, not tons.
See, there's plenty of room in
That's
here.
right.
Yeah.
Michelle and I wondered if these came from a church. They're only $28 a piece. Bye, girl. Same bat channel, same bat time next week. It's 12:45, so I guess that means we were in there about 3 hours again. A little over 3 hours, something like that. I asked Michelle if she had any reason she needed to hustle out of there, and she said no, although she had a request to go get Wendy's takeout for lunch, so that's where she was headed. The kids are apparently at the house and hungry, and Sean's working from home and they need food stuff. So I asked one of the co-workers discreetly, not co-workers, but one of the workers up there. They feel like such good friends, they're co-workers. What the status was of the lease and how things looked for Guardian Angel. And she said they have 4 years of signed lease, unless something catastrophic happens. She felt pretty secure about them staying there. And also that the new owner of the building was going around and he was making, he's a young guy, and he was making repairs that were in need of repair that aren't something that the tenant should have to pay for. So it sounded good, so I was told not to worry, so I'm gonna put that out of my mind and not worry. Don just told me he is headed for his run. He watched the inauguration, and it's pretty out here. It's 56. He missed a run in a few days. He doesn't want to miss today. Like I said, he thinks he's got a busy day tomorrow. Today, not as much, so that's good. And I'm just going to play a little pogo and head to the house. Michelle and I sat on a couch in there, and I fixed up her pogo. She, you know, usually when we would go out to eat lunch someplace, I would do that while we were waiting on our food, and I haven't been able to do that. So that was a Model 3 that just went past on my right. License plate was the future. I can't say that I disagree. As a matter of fact, I wholeheartedly agree. Tux wanted some love. I said, let's go sit in the sun, buddy. Ruby's out. Johnny's doing Taekwondo right now. Private weekly lesson. Well, that bench cushion is really comfortable and very enjoyable. Since it was actually dry this afternoon, I sat there with Tux for a good 30 minutes just sending gifts in Pokemon Go and evolving Pokemon and cleaning up and reviving Mons and, you know, relaxing, just sort of sitting there with my device. Tux sure did appreciate it. Over here. I don't want to run him off. It's raid hour, and I am headed down to the environmental park to catch that raid in person, so I don't have to use a remote pass. Johnny's done with Taekwondo, so when I get back, I'll put Ruby in. So I wanted Mom of the Year tonight, and I made Johnny a spaghetti bake. He's been asking. I think it's going to be really good, but I'm eating something with less carbs myself.